Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love ribs and I decided to do a twist and do these ribs, and they're sweet and sour with a twist of pineapple, some green bell peppers, and other spices. You're going to love them, so let me walk you through this. So to kick things off here, what I've got is a kilogram of pork ribs that I've kind of chopped up. Next up, I'm going to crack an egg in. Let's get cracking here. Followed by 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Of course, some salt. And you can do this according to taste. And my all-time favorite, some pepper. And I'm going to mix this up using my all-time favorite utensil, my hand, simply because I'm handy. So what you want is the texture is something like this. It's kind of sticky, but it's awesome. So we're going to set this aside while we're making the sauce. So to make the sauce, I'm going to start with 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice, a 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm using white sugar, but you can use brown if you like. A tablespoon of vinegar, just for that sour effect. And last but not least, a tablespoon of cornstarch. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. And like I always say, I'm mixed up anyway. Now I'm going to throw some oil into my handy dandy wok here. And we're just going to wok here. Just a play on words. And there's Coco walking with me. Now the oil is heated to about 350 degrees, 177 or 180 Celsius. I'm going to put the ribs in and fry them in batches. And look at this, guys. They look absolutely incredible. I'm just going to give them a little flip over. Once it's crispy golden brown, and this has been, I'd say, 6 or 7 minutes, I'm just going to set these aside, put them on my spider, and set these aside on a rack just to drain. These smell incredible. After the ribs are beautifully browned, and I've added some oil, but you don't want to do too much of this pan because you've got some gorgeous flavors happening here. I'm going to add in a small onion, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a tablespoon of ginger, a green bell pepper, and some pineapple. And this is about half a cup. So I'm just going to go ahead and toss this until they're fragrant. And guys, this smells so good. Once they're incredibly fragrant, I'm going to add in my sauce. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. After a boil, I'm going to add the ribs back in. And of course, we're going to give this a toss. Oh, let that delicious sauce totally cover the ribs. And once they're fully coated, there you have it, guys, our sweet and sour ribs. Oh my goodness, they look incredible. So let's go ahead and plate these guys up. Look at that. Of course, you want some of that incredible sauce over the top. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a taste test. They are so yummy. Just love them. They've got that sweet and sour taste. The pineapple. The ribs are so tender. You gotta make these. To get the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're gonna love it. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.